Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to send money from PayPal to Zelle. So basically what you're going to have to do is simply link a bank account to PayPal and Zelle. So in order to do that, so in this example I'm going to use Wells Fargo. So what you're going to have to do is simply open Wells Fargo app and then simply tap on transfer and pay. Then go to send money with Zelle and view the welcome note. Now what you're going to have to do is simply read and accept the terms and conditions and then simply enroll an email address or US mobile number and select the account where you want money to be deposited. Now after you do that, what you're going to have to do is simply take your Wells Fargo bank account and go back to PayPal, then go to wallet, and then here what you're going to have to do is simply click on link a bank and link that specific bank account. And basically that's all you have to do in order to transfer money from PayPal to Zelle. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.